Good morning or good day, wherever you are. This is our global webinar series, Real-Time Daily Trading Ideas. We have 5 days a week, 5 different traders. We will speak about trading ideas, strategies, market swing, maybe 1 or 2 questions from your side directly answered in our webinar. Our goal is every day is the same, quick and smart. So let's have a nice start like every day. And today it's Wednesday, 9th of January, 2019. We will start like every day with our risk disclaimer. Trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors due to their complex nature. If you are a starter, please start with a demo account and make yourself familiar with long trading, short trading, leverage trading, and your personal risk management. If you'd like to read your full long version of the disclaimer, just visit one of our regional web pages, for example, admiralmarkets.com, and you will find the long version there. If you are in the European Union, you would like also to get some more information about the topic of the year 2018 and still maybe of 2019, the ESMA regulation and different offers and options for retail clients and professional clients. Also, this is to find on our web pages. Sometimes the picture shows more than 1,000 words. The margin requirements could be quite different. 2 prominent examples, DAX 30 and euro dollar. Like you can see, margin requirements between retail clients and professional clients could be a big difference. If you're a professional trader and you like to get the professional client status, if you are eligible and you met the criteria, you can apply for that online. Retail clients still have a big benefit. It's called unlimited protection against negative balances. Professional clients don't get it via regulation, but some brokers and of course also Admiral Markets offer something additional. It's called negative balance protection policy. Via that you are protected even as a professional client up to 50,000 British pounds according to our policy. Details how to apply for that, everything online, and here you see also the specific link. This is me. My name is Jens. I'm the German guy from Admiral Markets. We are a big international Forex and CFD broker. So my English, made in Germany, but I'm not the main speaker. The main speaker is the day trader of today. This is our scheme. On Monday, it's Jay's day. On Tuesday, it's Paul's day. Like today, on Wednesday, it's Giancarlo's day. Thursday, it's Marco's day. On Friday, it's DAX day. Our leading day traders live every business day, every trading day to the same time. And of course, if you like to trade Forex and CFDs, you will get many benefits only with us. For example, DAX 30, triple spread of just 0.8 points. For example, euro dollar, triple spread of just 0.6 pips. No minimum stop distance, no commission additional. Check all that out on admiralmarkets.com. If you'd like to check out what we are doing globally, you can do so. It's your choice. We have an office in Chile. We have offices in the European Union. We have an office in Australia. Check it out. It's your choice. Our global offer for you. Enough from my side. Now it's time for Giancarlo. Good morning. Good day, Giancarlo. What's your view to the markets today?
Good morning, gents. Good morning, traders. Happy New Year. We have to analyze a little the situation on market after the great sell-off start in October. In general, we maintain a great uncertainty into the market due to the problem connected with the Federal Reserve USA China trade war. In Europe, the focus will be maintained at the time of Brexit, and in the same time, the investor waiting some news about the activity, the future activity of European Central Bank. In this moment, the investor maintain a great fears about the economic cycle, and we know that the investor maintain a focus about a possible global slowdown. In the same time, the market maintain a great volatility. I suggest to maintain a lot of attention in the market this year too, because I think that we have more volatility respect the last year. In the same time, we have to maintain a cautious attitude, because this month probably we can maintain a choppy situation at least until February. Tonight, I would like to remember we have the intervention of Mr. Trump. Mr. Trump maintain a dovish attitude against the Fed, and maintain a good attitude respect the situation of Mexican wall. Same time, the situation of slowdown is very important because they don't try to reach and agree with the Camera and Senate for this situation. What we have to do this week is to maintain the focus about this pullback of market, and today, of course, we have to maintain the focus about the FOMC meeting of tonight at 20 o'clock for European zone. The same time today, we start with the analysis of oil. We have to maintain a great attention about the situation in the OPEC. This is a little view of the market. Of course, I always suggest to focus any event related to the Federal Reserve, because investor would like to know if we have two rate hike or nothing. The war between Trump and Powell could be very, very dangerous for the market. So we have to maintain our attention for this situation. Now we are going to start, of course, with the Standard & Poor's. To analyze what's happened, because during the Christmas we have some flash crash into the Standard & Poor's, and the market after start a good uptrend. We have recovered the zone of 2,455, and we have returned in this very, very important zone, 2,526. What we have to do now is to understand if the support could be maintained into the market, and if we have the possibility to go more higher. In this moment, the bullish pressure continues, and we are near very, very, very important resistance. This smart money zone. In general, I consider the zone between 604, 623 like a zone where if the price break these levels, we could have a new uptrend in the market. But for now, due to the situation of economic slowdown and USA China trade war, we have a lot of choppiness. So for today, I would like to remember that the major resistance is located here between 597, 611. In case the price arrive in this zone, we have to understand if it's possible a great reversal, because like yesterday, we could reach great trend of 20, 30 points. In the same time, if the price break this zone, I think it's difficult today, but in case we have this breakout, we can start some long entry with the first target in 623 and in extension 639. In case the price remain in this zone, it's very important today that we don't lose at least the zone of minimum yesterday. We can consider the zone between 560 and 565 like a zone of support, intermediate support. In this case, if the price break this zone, I suggest to find some short with first target in 535 and in extension 530. I remember idea that we are assisting at a general pullback because market money leave the price going down to try to take better prices and start a new downtrend. But what we have to do this month is to focus our attention in this zone, because in case we start some problem with the macroeconomic data or USA economy, I think we can start a new sell-off and do new lows respect of the last year. Now we are going to speak about something about what's happened with the dollar yen with the last fresh crash of 4 session. And you can appreciate is just a technical moments, because the price break our zone of 110, and you can if you assist at was midnight, you can assist at a great downtrend. But now what we have to do today is to maintain our attention focus on Fed minutes, because it will be the main catalyst for appetite for risk for the investor. So the zone maintain a little caution, and volume and volatility are very low. What I can suggest in these cases, because normally the price retest at least the 50% of this last candle. In case you can assist at strong breakout of the level 108.33. We can try some short with this small stop at least maximum 50-60 point of short, to try to reach at least 107 in extension, one of these level. You can understand that no, for now you can understand that for now, until the price don't go up this level, at least 110.72, you can forget to try to have a new uptrend. It's logical to assess this situation for Fed problem, but we have to see have to follow just the price. In case the price break this level, we are very near this zone in 108.98. We can try to find some entry to reach the last smart money zone here in 109.57. Now I would like to say something about what's happened with the Brexit, because we know that we have a possibility of a rejection of Brexit deal in UK Parliament, and this problem can weigh the British pound. So as well, we have to focus our attention on Brexit. Even if we listen something about positive about the resolution of Brexit, we should assist at uptrend. But in this moment, which is very interesting, is how the price maintained the zone of 1.24 in the last flash crash, and at the same time respect this resistance. In this case, I suggest to wait what's happening next day, because the market present the low volumes, and it's normal to see this movement. And I think that is possible a breakout of this level, and I strongly recommend to find some buy entry if the price break this level with the high volatility and volume, because in this case we can arrive at least in 1.29 and in extension 1.30. Until the price remain in this zone is very difficult, because here we have a sort of wall of smart money, and I recommend to try some short only if the price going below 1.26. Now we have the same situation euro dollar. You know that the price respect our buy zone in 1.1378 for in the last weeks. It's very interesting how the price tried to break this zone. I remember that in case the price break this level, we have a great opportunity to find a long with the first target in 1.1527, and in extension we can start a new uptrend. In this case, we can arrive in 1.60 zone. Of course, euro dollar maintain the focus with European situation, with very bad data of the last weeks, and maintain this trading range because in general the investor want more information about which is the destiny of the European situation. In the same time, I remember in an event that is possible to try some short if the price going below 1.3060. If you like scalping, you can try some operation in this level, but in my idea is better to wait more trend, because you can understand it's very difficult to manage this situation. I would like to go now for DAX because
Quick question from a participant. What is the green MA in your chart, please?
the green MA in your chart. Okay, it is related to euro dollar. Oh wait, this is moving average. Okay, 200 moving average. Okay. Thank you. I would like to take a look at DAX because, of course, today I suggest some position, but we have to focus just a moment in the situation of German index. We have to respect the zone bit in 10,200. The price was blocked in the last sell-off, and now try to break this level that today try to break in 10,946. It's a very important zone because in case the price break this level, we can arrive rapidly here in 11,051. Up this zone, we can start a new uptrend, and we can have 3,400 points of gain. Now, let me show what we can do in 15-minute charts, because the price remain very near a breakout zone. So what we can do today is to put a buy stop if the price break at least 960, because we need of course high volatility and price acceleration, and in this case we can try to reach the zone indicated here. The first target could be 11,021, and in extension here the stop. In this case we can maintain at least a stop of 40 points, because we need to leave the price some spaces, because you know that DAX is very volatile, and it's important to maintain at a minimum range of trading. For short, I strongly suggest to take a look at this support, because this level today block the prices, and in case we have a break of the last minimum, in these cases we can try first short here in 11,070. We can try to reach at least this zone we touched yesterday afternoon, and in extension we can try to arrive here between 94 and in extension here 760. The stop, of course, in this case, in the same, maintain a stop of 40 points, because repeat, the DAX is choppy, but maintain a clear direction. If today the price break this zone, we can use this level for to leave the operation for afternoon. Just to understand, remember, always remember that this level we can use for reversal. For example, if the price return in this zone, you cannot see a great breakout and the price going down, you can try a short. At the same time, if we have here a new support, you can use this for long position. Let me take a look and finish with gold and oil. First time I would like to take a look what's happened here. We have a technical pullback in the oil. We can say without problem that below, up this zone we can start a new uptrend. I would like to have at least a break of 51 to leave some swing trading. I would like, I strongly, I have the idea that in case the price remain up 51.41, we can return here. All this rectangle represents smart money position, and normally the price return in this zone. So I think that we have a great possibility to recover free float dollar from this point. In the same time, remember that if we will go below $38, stop with long and try to understand if we can have a new downtrend. For now, I can say that they block this zone here. This is typical reversal movement in the candle that represent the inversion of market. And for now, if someone want to try some long position, I suggest to find some pullback to go to entry long. Remember, in any event, that if price going below $47, take care because the price could start a new bearish acceleration. I finish with gold, and I would like to remember that we have reached our target, because you remember that I suggest to try long position up 1,243, and we have reached the zone of all this green target, but the most important was here. Now it's logical to wait at least pullback. You know that this uptrend was dominated by the activity of Federal Reserve that present a hawkish attitude, and the rate hike help the gold to going up thanks to a massive presence of investors that in this moment try to find some instrument to cover their investment. In this moment, I suggest to take a look at this level, but more important, could represent this zone like in a strong support where we can find some buy opportunity. My idea that we have some spaces to go up. We can arrive here. This is my last target for now, because up this level we can start a new uptrend. But in case the price is blocked here below 1,265, we can start a new downtrend. I would like to remember just another thing. I have reached my target in Canadian dollar. We have reached our target after many months here in 1.36, and you can appreciate how just here the price going down. I'm finished for today. Sorry for some minutes so late, because I have some technical problem with my laptop, and I would like to desire you a great week of trading. See you next Wednesday. Thank you.
Thank you, Giancarlo. This is it for today. Tomorrow is another day, same time, same place. So if you'd like to join us again, just come to us tomorrow again. 5 days a week, 5 different traders. And if you'd like to see and watch that again, the explanations from Giancarlo, in a couple of hours, it will be available in our YouTube channel. Just go to youtube.com/AdmiralMarketsFX. Greetings from Berlin office. All the time, good trades. Bye-bye.